9 Truths to Reclaim Your Life. Before we dive in, I have to ask, are you ready to live your best life? No, I'm serious. Think about it. Are you really ready to wake up every single day with the fire and conviction to be the best version of yourself? Because if you are, I've got 9 things you need to tell yourself every day to train your mind and feed your soul. These truths will guide you, keep you focused, and remind you who you really are. 1. I am the best. This isn't arrogance, this is belief. It is the belief that you were made for something bigger. Every day you wake up, you have to tell yourself, I am the best, because if you don't believe it, how do you expect anyone else to? This doesn't mean looking down on others, it means recognizing the greatness in yourself. When you know you're the best at what you do, you stop letting other people define your worth. You walk into every room with confidence, knowing you belong. 2. I can do anything. Too many people live thinking I can't. Let me tell you, you can. The only limitations you have are the ones you place on yourself. Don't wait for someone to give you permission to go after what you want. Your potential is limitless, but it starts with action. Remove I can't from your vocabulary and replace it with relentless action. If you say it enough, you'll believe it, and when you believe it, you'll achieve it. 3. My future is bright. It's crazy how many people live in darkness when their future is shining. They're too busy focusing on the clouds. Every morning, say to yourself, my future is bright. I don't care what happened yesterday. The setbacks you face today are just setting the stage for something better. You are not defined by where you are right now, but by where you are headed. 4. I am getting better each day. Progress is the name of the game. You aren't going to wake up tomorrow and suddenly be perfect, but you can be better than you were yesterday. Say it. I am getting better each day. When you embrace this mindset, you stop being hard on yourself for not being perfect and start celebrating the small victories. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. 5. I will work hard. Success is not handed out, you've got to sweat for it. There are no shortcuts. While everyone else is sleeping, doubting, or making excuses, you'll be grinding. Hard work builds the discipline that builds success. Remember, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. The grind may be tough, but the reward is worth every ounce of effort. 6. No excuses. Excuses are nothing but lies we tell ourselves to justify why we're not where we should be. You're not too tired. You're not too busy. You either find a way or you find an excuse. Successful people don't waste time blaming circumstances. They take ownership. Refuse to let excuses define your destiny. 7. I was born to do great things. Do you feel that pull inside you? That's greatness calling your name. You weren't put here just to get by or be average. Greatness is in your DNA. You were designed with a unique talent that the world needs. Don't keep it hidden. You owe it to yourself to shine. 8. People's opinions don't affect me. When you start living on your terms, people will talk. They'll criticize and doubt. Let them. Their words cannot stop your grind. Opinions are not facts, they are usually just reflections of other people's insecurities. Stay focused on your path and don't let outside noise disrupt your inner peace. 9. Life is precious. At the end of the day, remember that life is a gift. Don't waste a single moment on negativity. While you are busy with the hustle, don't forget to appreciate the beauty around you. Time is the one thing you can't get back. Wake up with gratitude, live with passion, and make every day count. I've left one important question for you in the comment section because your thoughts are as important as mine. Check it out and let's grow together. If you've made it this far, drop 100 in the comments. It shows you are part of the 1% that is committed to improving every single day.